So I got this, bought this dewalt heater about a week ago, and then I bought 4 tanks for it. It takes 2 of the small green tanks, which they don't last long. I've had it, I think the first night I used it, when I first bought it, it lasted about 5 hours. And I Googled it, and it said, I believe 1 tank would last 7 hours. I may be wrong. But I'm pretty impressed. It's snowing outside right now. The house over there is covered. I'm in my shed. I mean, I got gaps and everything. Gaps in the door. No insulation in here. I wish I had a thermometer in here. But, I mean, I touched the metal. And it's cold, but it's not like hurt your hands cold. I mean, the longer I keep my hand here, I don't feel the cold anymore. Yeah. It's got a fan on it. I think it comes out right here and then at the bottom to blow the heat out, which is great. And then it's got the light. You can angle it up. And it's great for my shed because I don't have electric out here. And I have that light and pretty much see anything. I don't have insulation in here. You can actually see the metal. You can see the metal through the wood right there. Which I'm thinking about putting insulation in here so this heater would perform better. But I'm actually impressed with it. Seen a lot of bad reviews on Amazon, but I went to Rural King and picked mine up. It was $160, and then $16 for a pack of 4 propane tanks. And I have the battery. It lasts pretty good on this. The first night I had it, I had a battery that was almost dead, and it lasted for 5 hours. But I didn't have any phones plugged in because it's got 3 USB ports right there. Takes 2 propane tanks. And I need to compare it to the other heater I have. It's a Mr. Buddy. It's an old one, takes 1 tank. Doesn't have a fan on it or nothing. I'm going to compare it. And I'll show you that in another video. I'll have it out here one night without this running and see if it keeps the shed warm. And I'll have this one. I'll get a thermometer so you guys can actually see which one performs better, which one lasts longer. But I'm happy with this. I'm going to get a 5-gallon propane tank and an adapter so it will last longer. And but other than that, I'm impressed keeping this shed warm with no insulation while it's snowing. It was 32 degrees last time I checked. 32 degrees outside, and I'm in here. I'm actually sweating with my coat on. My feet ain't cold. I'm wearing tennis shoes. I'm impressed. If you guys want to buy a heater and you guys see all the bad reviews on this, I don't have anything bad to say about the dewalt heater. Don't have anything bad to say about it yet. But I'll let you know. I'll keep putting it to the test.